January 22, 2025 is the date that Samsung will launch its next-gen Galaxy flagships. Here are 5 of the biggest changes rumored to be coming to Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, a design change with rounded edges and a thinner body. The S25 Ultra will actually win the bezel game, having thinner bezels than any other phone. The biggest design difference on the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the flat sides. On the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the top and bottom were flat, with the sides slightly rounded. Now, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, all 4 sides are flat. The Galaxy S25 Ultra powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, up to 16 GB of RAM. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a 6.86-inch dynamic AMOLED display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a quad rear camera unit comprising a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel sensor with 5x optical zoom, and 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle and telephoto sensors. Last but not least, it could pack a 5,000 mAh battery with 45W charging support. Samsung launched One UI 7 with Android 15 on the Galaxy S25 series. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.